Hello students, so welcome to the suggested solutions for assignment 6.2. Right, let's begin. So this one is on inverse proportion, right? So if k is inversely proportional to y and x is 40 when y is 5, find the equation connecting x and y. So let's begin. I change my pen to blue. That means x, I can write it as x over k over y, right? This is what we have. So when x equals to 40, y is equals to 5. That means 40 equals to k over 5. So k is equals to 80. No, wait, more than that. What's 5 times 40 is 200, right? So therefore, x is equals to 200 over y. So now we want to find the value of x when y is 25. So when y is equals to 25, x is equals to 200 over 25. X is equals to 200 divided by 25 will give us 8. There we go. And then when x is equals to 400, so 400 equals to 200 over y, y is equals to half. Right? Or 0.5, right? Is acceptable. Okay, moving on. At the sports camp, there are sufficient food for 72 athletes to last 6 days. If 18 athletes were absent from the camp, how many more days can the food last for the other athletes? So what's the situation now, right? Because the food and athletes are the inversely proportional. So I'm going to let A be the, okay, so I'm going to write let A be number of athletes. Let D be number of days. So the relationship will be A equals to K over D, right? So when A equals to 72, D is equals to 6. Okay? So 72 equals to K over 6. K is equals to 6 times 72 equals to 432. Therefore, A equals to 432 over D. Now, if there are 18 athletes who are absent, okay, so when A is equals to 72 minus 18, which is equals to 54, what happened, right? So 54 equals to 432 over D. D is equals to 432 divided by 54, 8. Therefore, number of additional days equals to 8 minus 6 equals 2. There we go, right? So the assumption, the assumption is all athletes eat the same amount. Of food, yeah. There we go. Right, next example. The force of repulsion F Newton between the two particles is inversely proportional to the square of the distance D. Okay, right formula. So F is equals to K over D squared, right? So that's fine. The problem now is we need to find K. We need more information. So when the particles are a certain distance apart, so a certain value of D, the force is 20. Find the force when the distance is half. So what it means is that the force when the distance is half. So nu D is actually half D, right? So nu D is actually D over 2. So nu F is going to be K over D over 2 squared, right? So this will be equals to 4K over D squared, which is equals to 4F. So when F is equals to 20 Newton. Nu F will be equals to 4 times 20 equals to 80 Newtons. Makes sense, right? Okay. Oops, scroll too much. Right, 12 glass blowers can make 12 identical glass vases in 9 minutes. Assuming that all glass blowers work at the same rate, how long will it take 8 glass blowers to make 32 such vases? Okay, so here we have a really interesting scenario because there are 3 items at work, right? So we have glass blowers, we have number of vases, right? And we have time, right? Number of minutes. And the information we have is 12, makes 12 in 9. Okay, so how long will it take 8 glass blowers to make 32 such vases? Well, what's the thing, right? The thing is the more glass, the glass blowers and the vase theoretically should be directly proportional. Okay, so what happened is if I'm going to make this into 8, right? So 12 reduced to 8. Let me change my pen. Okay, 12 reduced to 8. I actually divide by 3 over 2, right? So I'm going to do the same thing. So this means that 8, 9 as well. Okay, so the number of vases proportional. But now what happened is I want 32 such vases, and I'm going to still have 8. So 32. Now the number of minutes is inversely proportional. So in this case, 8 to 32, I actually multiply by 4, which means over here I should divide by 4, right? So 9 divided by 4 will give us 2.25 minutes, or rather 2.25 minutes. Okay. Hey, wait. I'm thinking about speed, so sorry. Yeah. Oops. So again, this is a number of minutes also should multiply by 4, which gives us 36. Okay, right? So therefore, amount of time is 36 minutes. Okay, well, this is direct proportional. It's not inverse proportional question. Maybe there's a part 2. Oh well, I mean, look, because this is an inverse proportional worksheet, I was thinking of inverse proportion, but we can throw it there. I mean, the actual assessment that you will have, it won't tell you whether it's direct or inverse. So do read the question carefully. Don't be like me. All right. Okay. Let's go on. Next one. The force of attraction between two magnets is inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. The magnets are RCM apart, and the force we use the F, right? So F is equals to K over R squared. Okay. Let's see what information we have. If the distance between the magnet is increased by 400%. Okay, so for my new R, okay, is actually 400% more means 5, right? It's actually 5R. Okay, so what happened? The force of attraction between them becomes CF. Okay, so let's find the new F, right? So new F is equals to K over 5R squared. Okay, which gives us 1 over 25 K over R squared, which gives us 1 over 25 F. There we go. Therefore, C equals 1 over 25, which is the same as 0.04. Okay. Okay, that's the last question I asked you to try. I hope you have been successful. Have a nice day.